Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome and thank you for watching my official YouTube channel, Mivariam Sheikh. Very sad news. 3 people have died and 15 others were injured as a result of a truck colliding with 11 vehicles in the Vilayat of Liwa, North North Al Baltina Gwarned on Wednesday, May 8, 2024, said the Royal Oman Police. A statement issued online by ROP said a collision between a truck and 11 vehicles resulted in 3 deaths of 2 citizens and an expatriate and 15 different injuries in the Vilayat of Liwa after the truck driver drove in the opposition direction of traffic. Investigations into the circumstances of the accident are being completed. अफसोसनाक खबर शामिल करें। आपको बताएं, रॉयल ओमान पुलिस ने कहा है कि 8 मई 2024 को शुमाली अलबल्तीना गवर्नरी के लीवा की वलायत में 11 गाड़ियों से ट्रक के टकराने